Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Alinea Invest and whether it's worth your time in 2025 or if you should leave it behind. Alinea Invest is a mobile investing app designed specifically for Gen Z and beginner investors. It focuses on playlist-style investing where you can invest in themed portfolios like clean energy or women-led companies. In 2025, Alinea is growing fast with more educational features and auto-invest tools. So here's what stands out in this application. Number 1, user-friendly interface designed for beginners. Number 2, thematic playlists that makes investing more approachable. Number 3, fractional shares and zero commission trading. Number 4, built-in auto-invest and round-up features. And here are some things that you should need to consider. Number 1, fewer advanced tools for experienced investors. Number 2, limited asset variety because it focuses on stocks and ETFs. Number 3, no web platform. It only has mobile app. Number 4, educational content is great but still basic for intermediate users. So, is Alinea worth it? If you are a beginner investor who wants a fun and easy way to grow your money, Alinea is definitely worth a try in 2025. But if you are already a managing portfolio or need a detailed analysis tools, it might feel too simple. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.